What does a successful YouTube video look like to you? Does successful mean popular? Are views all that matter? Let's take a look at a few different metrics of success and see which types of YouTube videos fit into that mold. Views. Although views pay the bills, it's not the only thing you should focus on. If your video gets a lot of views, you might be onto something, but it could also be a fluke. Maybe your video went viral because you captured a historic moment at the right time. If it's not replicatable, then it's not successful in my opinion. Not to mention that views can be bought or gamed by using misleading titles and thumbnails. Views aren't everything. Watch time. A much better metric, and the one that YouTube cares about the most, is watch time. Successful YouTubers not only keep their viewers watching to the end of their video, or near the end of the video, but they also encourage them to keep watching after it's over. If someone watches one of your videos for the first time, then another, then I would say you have a successful channel on your hands. Viewer engagement on YouTube is also an important metric, and as a creator, it might be the important metric for your long-term sustainability. Engagement is when a viewer likes, subscribes, shares, or comments on a video. If you can get a discussion going in the comments section of your video, then you know you've created something of value. Just like in our lives outside of YouTube, people want to be part of a community. And if you can create a channel where discussion is encouraged and expected, then you've created a very successful video. With all that being said, what types of videos specifically meet these criteria? Well, there's educational videos, product review videos, there's commentary, there's self-improvement videos, people like favorite or best of videos, haul videos, gaming videos. Those are just a few examples, and in fact, you can foster a healthy community with any type of video as long as there's two things. One, there's a reason for the viewer to watch to the very end of the video. You want to give them that resolution at the end of the video, and you also want there to be some kind of opinion or commentary or controversy on the topic so that people are inclined to discuss it as a community in the comment section.